easily traversing the moat, successfully damaging the moat. That's one down for the blue defenses. And the low bar, that makes it two. So two defenses have been damaged now. And the Cougars with a score to the high tower, weakening Blue's tower. And the Black Knights with a shot. Almost made it just shy of that high goal. And the Shazbots again through the Sally port. The Cougars with a shot just outside of that high goal. Very tight space up there to score these boulders. And the Shazbots piling over a boulder in center field. And over to Cheval de Vries. The Shazbots are down. Unfortunately, the Shazbots are now receiving the field. High goal shot from the Cougars. And Red has successfully damaged 3 of the 5 defenses.